I made hummus yesterday and it was actually a lot easier than I thought. I was so excited to bust out my brand new extra virgin olive oil from Italy that my friend Kate sent me. Her and her family own and operate an olive tree farm in Sardinia. They even put on the back when those specific olives were harvested and pressed. It's just so special to me and I'm so excited to have some and be able to use it, especially after watching all of her content. So for the hummus, I have 1 can of drained chickpeas. Also, disclaimer, this is my first time doing this, so I'm winging it. We're putting everything in my Ninja Bullet and blending it all from there. So I'm taking tahini, which to my knowledge is like sesame seed kind of peanut butter. I'm just adding a few spoonfuls until I feel like it's right. That's pretty much how I make things. I'll watch a ton of recipes, read a ton of recipes, see what the general consensus is, and then kind of take it from there using my own discretion. Now I'm just adding some lemon. I only squeezed a little bit here, but later on I tasted it and I ended up adding more until I eventually used up the entire half of a lemon. Now for the most exciting part, this is my first time opening the olive oil. It was so cute. This little spout and twist off cap popped out of the canister, and I just added, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of a cup worth of olive oil. And then I added a whole garlic clove, which raw garlic, at no point am I cooking this, so I wasn't sure about that, but that's fine. Salt and pepper, of course. I went to go blend it up, and don't worry, I realized in a second that I forgot to add water. A lot of people recommended using ice cubes, but if I'm being so honest, I pushed this little magic bullet to the limit, and I feel like ice cubes would have just pushed it over the edge and had it die on me. So I just added ice cold water, which worked fine. I know I really need to invest in a food processor. I let that go for a while before checking it, and I feel like it just needed a little something else. Like it was not smooth enough, blended enough, so I added some more lemon, some more oil, some more of everything. Gave it another go, and I was much happier the second time around. And look at how beautiful it is. I was also taste testing it as I went. So now I'm just plating it up on this beautiful dish that I thrifted recently. And then I went in to drizzle some oil on the top, and the whole time I was just thinking, Kate drenches her food in olive oil, so I drench my food in olive oil. By the way, I know hummus is not Italian, it's just what I chose to make using olive oil tonight. To top it off, I sprinkled it with some paprika and some parsley flakes. I did not have fresh parsley, otherwise I would use that. And ooh, this is the finished product. It came out so beautiful, so good. My husband and I loved it, and I will be making it from scratch from now on.